What if a face didn't need eyes to see you, didn't need lips to speak to you, and didn't need perfect symmetry to feel alive? What if a single curved line and a bold geometric shadow could express more emotion than the most detailed portrait ever painted? In today's video, we dive into the captivating world of abstract modern face art, where simplicity becomes powerful, distortion becomes intentional, and imperfection becomes unforgettable beauty. This is not just about drawing or sculpting a face. It's about exploring identity, emotion, and perspective through bold shapes, unexpected lines, and fearless creativity. Abstract modern face art challenges the way we traditionally see portraits. Instead of focusing on realistic proportions and lifelike details, it deconstructs the human face into essential elements: curves, angles, blocks of color, and expressive strokes. The magic lies in suggestion rather than definition. A single continuous line might represent both profile and frontal view at the same time. One eye might be larger than the other, not by mistake, but by design. The nose could be a sharp geometric triangle, the lips a simple flowing arc. In abstraction, rules are not broken carelessly, they are reimagined with purpose. To begin creating abstract face art, the first step is not picking up a brush or pencil. It is observing emotion. Ask yourself what feeling you want to express. Is it calm reflection? Is it calm reflection, quiet confidence, hidden sadness, bold independence, or mysterious allure? Emotion is the foundation of abstract modern face art because when you remove realistic detail, feeling becomes the main storyteller. Before you draw a single line, pause and imagine the personality behind the face you are about to create. In abstract art, you are not copying someone's appearance. You are translating a mood into visual language. This shift in mindset is what transforms a simple sketch into a powerful modern statement piece. As you begin sketching, think of the face not as a collection of features but as a composition of shapes. Start with a loose outline, perhaps an elongated oval or an angular silhouette. Already, you are making a statement. An elongated face can suggest elegance or introspection, while sharper edges can express strength or intensity. Let your hand move freely without overthinking symmetry. In modern abstract face art, imbalance often creates interest. A slightly tilted head or an exaggerated jawline adds personality and movement. The key is confidence in every line you draw. One of the most fascinating techniques in abstract modern face art is the use of continuous line drawing. Imagine placing your pen on the paper and never lifting it until the face is complete. This single unbroken line can travel from forehead to nose, curve into lips, loop into an eye, and return to define the chin. The result feels fluid and organic, almost like capturing a thought in motion. For a YouTube video, showing this process in real time can be incredibly satisfying for viewers. The steady movement of the pen, the gradual appearance of a face from one flowing stroke, becomes hypnotic and engaging. It invites the audience to slow down and watch creation unfold. Color is another powerful tool in modern abstract face art. While some artists prefer minimalist black and white compositions, others embrace bold, contrasting palettes. Imagine dividing the face into geometric sections and filling each one with different tones. A vibrant red on one side and a cool blue on the other can symbolize internal contrast or duality. Soft neutral shades can create a calm, sophisticated atmosphere perfect for modern home decor. The beauty of abstraction is that color does not have to match reality. Skin tones can be emerald green, cobalt blue, or golden yellow if that enhances the emotional message. Texture adds another dimension to your artwork. Thick brushstrokes can create energy and movement, while smooth blended surfaces can evoke serenity. If you are working digitally, layering textures can mimic traditional mediums like acrylic or charcoal. In a sculptural approach, carving or molding the face with simplified features allows light and shadow to define form. Shadows become part of the design, emphasizing depth and asymmetry. When presenting this in a YouTube video, capture close-up shots of texture. Let viewers see the brush marks, the layering of paint, or the subtle transitions in shading. These details create a tactile experience, even through a screen. Another compelling concept in abstract face art is dual perspective. Imagine combining a side profile and a frontal view into one composition. One eye looks forward while the nose extends in profile. This technique creates intrigue because the viewer's brain tries to resolve the visual puzzle. It feels modern and intellectually stimulating. The face becomes multidimensional, representing complexity in identity. For your script, you can explain how this reflects the many layers of personality we all carry, how we present ourselves to the world, and how we see ourselves internally. Lighting and background choices are just as important as the face itself. A minimal white background allows bold lines to stand out dramatically. A textured canvas backdrop adds warmth and character. In video presentation, experiment with directional lighting to highlight raised textures or cast shadows that enhance depth. Slow camera movements, gentle zoom-ins, and soft background music create a cinematic experience. If you want to elevate the emotional impact, consider using natural ambient sounds like brush strokes or charcoal scratching against paper instead of generic music. Authentic sound connects viewers to the creative process. Storytelling is what transforms an art tutorial into a memorable YouTube experience. Instead of simply demonstrating techniques, narrate the meaning behind your choices. Explain why you distorted a feature or chose a particular color combination. Share how abstract art gives freedom to express feelings that are difficult to articulate with words. Viewers connect to vulnerability and authenticity. When you speak about your creative decisions, the artwork becomes more than decoration. It becomes a personal narrative. Modern abstract face art also fits beautifully into contemporary interior design. Its clean lines and bold contrasts complement minimalist spaces, while vibrant versions can become focal points in eclectic rooms. In your video, show the finished piece displayed in a modern living room, above a sleek console table, or leaning against a textured wall. This helps viewers imagine how they can incorporate similar art into their own spaces. Abstract faces often evoke curiosity and conversation, making them perfect statement pieces. Another exciting angle for your script is exploring symbolism. Perhaps you intentionally leave one eye incomplete to symbolize openness to interpretation. Maybe overlapping lines represent connection or chaos. Abstract art thrives on layered meaning. Encourage viewers to interpret your work in their own way. Ask them what emotion they see or what story they imagine behind the face. This interaction builds community and keeps them engaged in the comments section. As you approach the final stages of your artwork, focus on refinement without overworking it. Abstract art can lose its charm if overcomplicated. Sometimes leaving visible imperfections adds authenticity. Step back frequently and view the piece from a distance. Observe how the shapes interact and whether the composition feels balanced. Trust your instinct. Modern art celebrates individuality, so there is no single correct outcome. The closing moments of your video should feel reflective and inspiring. Reveal the finished abstract face with a slow, cinematic pan. Let the light catch the lines and colors. Speak about the freedom that abstraction provides, the ability to create without strict rules, to express without limitations. Remind viewers that they do not need advanced technical skills to explore abstract art. All they need is courage to experiment and willingness to embrace imperfection. Ultimately, abstract modern face art is about perspective. It teaches us that beauty does not require exact symmetry or detailed realism. It invites us to see faces not just as physical features, but as emotional landscapes. Through bold lines, dynamic shapes, and expressive colors, we discover new ways to communicate identity and feeling. Each abstract face becomes a mirror reflecting both the artist's intention and the viewer's imagination. So imagine starting your video with a blank canvas and ending with a striking modern face that feels alive despite its simplicity. That transformation, from emptiness to expression, is what captivates audiences. It is not just about art. It is about witnessing creativity unfold in real time. And perhaps, as viewers watch you build a face from abstract forms, they will feel inspired to explore their own creativity, to let go of perfection, and to see beauty in the unexpected.